Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a long time since I've updated, but there's really been zero progress going on here. I ordered that roll bar from Maxima Motorsports back in the day. It's April now, almost May, and I ordered it in October. And as you can see, there's currently no roll bar. Lots of chat back and forth, lots of no updates, followed by, hey, we can't fulfill your order for another couple months. So forget it. It's holding up the project. I have to wait on it for pretty much everything else besides the engine, and I really want to kind of do the engine last so I could focus on it and get everything right. I know, one thing at a time here, but hey, I'm not in any hurry, obviously. So today, since I was waiting on the roll bar to do a lot of this work inside, I'm going to start doing some sound deadening. I'm probably going to start with the roof, do a little bit of, because it's, just a piece of sheet metal. As you can see, the headliner's still up here. I ordered some fabric paint to try and spray this. We'll see how that goes. Obviously, it needs to be cleaned up first, but it should be here Monday, so maybe we'll have a little bit of progress going on this project here before too long. I'm planning on getting rid of all the red interior pieces. I still have to take the doors off, and I made the mistake of putting this metal stuff here when I was younger and dumb, around the inside of the door. So that should be a nightmare to take off because it's probably going to look a lot like that right there. So I think I might work a little bit on the back seat area, probably from like here, basically this lip here, back. Obviously I can't do much back to the where this section is here because that's still got some sound deadening on it. I could probably just leave that stuff and work right up to the edge of it, because that's pretty much the same as what I'm putting on. And then second layer is the cell foam stuff. So I probably won't get to the second layer today. It'll probably just be this first layer. So this is pretty much how it sits right now. As you can see, no progress has been made because I was waiting. And I did order a seat track for the driver's side. I just want to make sure I ordered it, and they called me and said, hey, you only ordered just a seat track, and it's going to take, of course, everything for this car is built to order, custom made, etc. They claim it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks, so maybe I will have some interior pieces dyed. I'd like to do the doors as well, do the plastic and the fabric. Get away from red. Red is just, 80s. And then move on to continuing insulation on the back here and the trunk and this area here. I really want to wait for the tracks and the seats to come in before I do anything with the kind of front seat area. And then things like doing the steering wheel. I want to replace the steering wheel. I still got to pull the dash because I was going to do the heater core and the AC condenser and everything like that in there. But yeah, so here's how it sits right now. I'll have another update here in just a second after I'm done screwing around in here today. Alright, so here we are back again. I finished a little bit of the placing that deadening material on the wheel wells on the inside and the outside of the front. I mean, I haven't gotten to the back of it yet. Also on the behind this area here, behind the I don't even know what to call that, behind the B pillar, I guess, between B and C there. And I didn't do any of the floor. Need to get a lot more cleaning action going on here. Same thing on this side. I did the inside there, the wheel well. Obviously I need to get in there with my roller and hit it, but I'm kind of running out of time today. work on things. So I got to roller it, and then I worked on the top here. This is a lot where the work was done today. I coated it pretty well. I need to get some of the edges and things, and I need to obviously hit it with the roller. But as you can see, front to back, I finished the leftover box I had from my other cars, and started the next box. Tried to make them as complete as you need, as I wanted to, complete sheets as necessary here, just to kind of fill in. I really, it says not to bother doing 100% coverage, but with the roof, I figure any noise reduction off the roof is good. Plus, it gets rid of that hollow vibration sound. A lot more solid sounding when you knock on it. So, not that anybody's gonna be knocking on the roof, but hey, whatever. Next step, well, besides rollering and continuing to cover with this material here, is I'm going to be placing the foam. This is the 150 mil foam material. There we go. We can actually see it sort of. 150 mil thickness. The other one's 80 mil thickness. This is 150 mil. That is recommended 100% coverage. So I have a box and a half of that stuff at 36 square feet. So hopefully I won't have to order another box. I will probably have to order another box, but especially of this material here, when I get to the floors, they're still a mess. So I'm going to wait until I get in here and really clean before I start putting this stuff down, because you got to have a clean surface. So, and then obviously when I do the trunk, there's quite a bit of space in here, so I don't know that I have enough of this box left to finish. But that's it for today. I was looking at my tint on the windows, and yeah, I guess until next time, yeah, thanks for watching.